I was born in a small town where the fields were green and wide. I grew up with a love for nature that I always kept inside. I learned to play the guitar, and I sang about the things I saw: the birds, the trees, the rivers, and the stars that shine so bright. Nature is my inspiration, nature is my home. Nature is the reason why I never feel alone. Nature is the music that fills my heart and soul. Nature is the story that I always want to tell. I left my town to see the world, and I traveled far and wide. I saw the wonders of nature that I never knew before. The mountains, the oceans, the deserts, and the forest full of life. But I always missed my hometown and the nature that I adore. Nature is my inspiration, nature is my home. Nature is the reason why I never feel alone. Nature is the music that fills my heart and soul. Nature is the story of the world. Came back to my hometown after many years away. I found the nature that I love still as beautiful as ever. I picked up my guitar and I sang a new song that day, a song of gratitude and joy for the nature that I treasure.